Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy trick that's perfect for 2025. How to flip a photo in Google Photos. Whether you're correcting a selfie that looks flipped or just experimenting with your edits, this step-by-step guide will have you mastering it in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Google Photos app installed on your phone or tablet. It's free and works on both Android and iOS devices. Once you're all set, open the app and sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Now, navigate to your photo library and find the image you want to flip. Tap on it to open it in full view. This is where the magic happens. Next, look for the Edit button, usually represented by a pencil icon at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap it to enter editing mode. In the editing tools, scroll or look for the Crop and Rotate section. That's your key area. Here, you'll see options for rotating, but don't worry, the flip feature is often right nearby. Select the flip tool. It might say flip horizontal or flip vertical, depending on what you need. For instance, if your photo looks mirrored, go for horizontal flip. After selecting it, the app will instantly apply the change. Take a second to preview your photo. Zoom in if you need to ensure it's perfect. If it's not quite right, you can always undo or flip it again. Once you're happy, hit the Save or Done button. Google Photos will process it quickly, and your flipped photo will be saved as a new version, keeping your original intact for safety. And there you have it. You're now a pro at flipping photos in Google Photos. This feature is super handy for quick fixes, and it's updated in 2025 to be even more intuitive. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.